Steve Smith here. I'm CAD Tech Guru. Today I'm going to be building upon the previous AutoCAD training videos that I've been doing. We've talked about drawing lines, and we've talked about the offset command. And in this video, we're going to cover the fillet command. And what the fillet command does is it basically, when you have two lines that are intersecting or not, it really doesn't matter. You can use the fillet command in order to join those two lines, and there's a few other, little tricks that you can do with it also. So let's check out the fillet command. All right, today we're going to be using this same little house as I've used on the past drawing. So we're just going to use the line command and the fillet command, and we'll use the offset command also and draw this house again. So just to discuss the fillet command a little bit. If you have a line like this, and then you've got another line that comes across here like this, you initiate the fillet command. You can type out the entire command, Fillet, enter, and that initiates the fillet command. And as you can see, again, just like all the other commands, it gives you lots of options, and we can explore a lot of these later. But for now, I just want to discuss the basics of the command. So with the fillet command, it's asking to select the first object. So we select one object, and then it's asking for the second object. We select the second one, and you can see it joins like that. So it really doesn't matter, where the line is or how it looks. The alias for the fillet command in my case is F. I think that's pretty common for most people. F, enter. And then you can select this line and then another line, and it'll bring them together at a perfect point. Now I'm going to type U to undo that. Now the fillet command joins on the side that you select the line. So you can see if I F enter and then select over here instead of on this side, I select this side, and then up here you can see it'll join that way. I'm going to undo again, U, enter, and then I could select, let me just draw another line here, fillet. I could select here and here, so undo, fillet, here and here. So you get the idea? It joins the line on whichever side you pick the line on and trims off any excess and brings those two lines to a nice perfect point. So let's go to our house here. Let's draw this this first wall right here that has the door on it. It's 10 feet wide and 10 feet high. So this time when we're drawing, I'm not going to start at 0, 0. On the past examples, I've been starting from a specific 0, 0 coordinates, but this time we're not going to do that. We're just going to free draw. So I'm just going to randomly, and I'm going to use ortho, which is F8. Just draw a line across here like this, and then I'm going to use the offset command, O, enter, 10 feet, enter. And then I'm just going to offset that up this way, and then enter to complete the command. Now I'm going to draw another free line that just intersects it using ortho, and then enter to complete that. And then I'm going to use the offset it command. It's already set to 10 feet because that was the last value I put in there. So we're going to offset that 10 feet, enter. And now you've got this box here. So I'm going to use the fillet command, F, enter. Select here and there. And then I'm going to enter to start again, here and here. Then I'm going to hit enter to start the fillet command again, here and here. And then enter to start it again, here and here. So you can see how that fillet command works. Now I'm going to draw another line across the bottom, and I'm going to offset that 10 feet. Now this section of wall on this side was 20 feet wide, so I'm going to offset 20 feet. Get that out there like that. Now F enter for fillet. Select these two lines. Enter again to start it over. Another interesting thing about the fillet command is, if you recall, using both line command and the offset command, when you're done with the command, you actually have to press enter again in order to complete the command. That's not the case with the fillet command. When you have two lines and you're using fillet, if you watch how this works, F enter, then when you pick the first one, it asks for the second one. But when you click the second one, then it's done. It completes the command automatically and returns back to a command prompt. So that's one of the things that's a little bit different about the fillet command. Okay, now to draw this doorway, it's 3'6" on each side, and it's 6'8" tall. It's a 3-foot opening. So over here, let's just offset 6'8" like this. Enter to complete the command. Offset 3'6", enter to complete, and then offset 3 feet. That, enter to complete. Now I'm going to do fillet here and here, and then fillet again here and here. Now on the windows, you got 4 foot on the sides here, and then it's top is 6'8", and it's a 3x4 window. So let's just offset 6'8". That, and then I'm going to offset 4 feet. I'm going to come in like that, offset 3 feet, and then offset 4 feet again, like this, and then I'm going to use the fillet command. Fillet here and here, here and here, here and here, here and here. All right, now keeping on going with that, I'm just going to draw a line across here like that, and then I'm going to offset 4 feet from this side and 3 feet here, and then use the fillet command again. Fillet. There we go. Now to do the roof, let's see, that was 6 foot high, and then we got the 12-inch overhangs. So let's do it like this. I'm going to draw this line and go this direction using ortho 12 inches. Come over here and come out this way 12 inches. And then to get this line, the slope of the roof in, let's just go line from this point at 6 feet, comma 6 feet. That puts it there. And then at 6 feet, comma minus 6 feet. That puts that there. And then here, we'll just draw this one at minus 6 feet, comma 6 feet. And draw that over like that. So there's your house. Pretty simple little house. And that is pretty much the basics of the fillet command. One other piece of the fillet command that I use a whole lot is to assign a radius to the fillet command. So I'm going to draw just real quickly. I'm just going to draw 2 lines that cross each other like this, and then I'm going to type F enter, and then it's asking for the first object, and you can see here it says or, undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple, all this kind of thing. So I'm going to hit R for radius, enter, and now it's asking for a specific radius. You can see I've got it set to 0 now, which is why it's been filleting in corners like that. But I'm going to set the radius to 10 feet and then hit enter. And then when I do the fillet command, it fills it with a radius instead. This comes in real handy, especially I draw a lot of site plans, and drawing drive aisles and getting around within the parking lots. This fillet command set with a radius, use it all the time. So let's do another one. We'll draw 2 lines, fillet, radius, 5 feet. Enter. See, it does a 5-foot radius. Now, anything you try to fillet at this point, as you can see here, it's going to try to put a radius on that. So if you want to get rid of that radius, you just F enter, R enter, and then set it to 0, enter. and then you're back to the 0 radius again, which is a corner. So that's the fillet command. I hope this was helpful. Please do remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my page if you haven't already done so. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video.